Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Happy New Year, by the way. Today we're going to be working on the pink flowers that I got from PaintSomeWay. It is a spring kit. It's 141 by 53 centimeters. And we're working up here on this, it looks like a magnolia blossom. A pink, I didn't know they made such a thing. I thought magnolias were white, but okay. So what's everybody up to? Hope you're all having a good day and a good weekend. And you had a lovely New Year's Eve. Yeah. Oh, and we're using this green. It is not 310. What the heck? I'm looking. 319. Sorry. Very nice material. It's not too stiff. They always make the best kits. I've got a few of theirs. And the problem is that when I order them, I don't know whether or not it's going to be a spring kit. Some I can kind of tell, especially those, the ones with the tan Ada that I had. But some of them, this I would never even suspected it was a spring kit, but I like them. They're very well made. They're right up there with Joy Sunday. Very nice. So did you do anything fun for New Year's? Did you go out to dinner? Did you go watch, the fireworks where you live? Just wondering. I feel like I've been gone for like a week and a half, but I know, it's only been a couple of days. I just needed a stitch with me. This thing's kind of wide. Doesn't want to sit where I'm at. Well, yesterday we had a fun day. We went out to breakfast. That was yummy. And then we came back and I mentioned that I needed to rearrange a room. Oh my goodness. I thought it was going to kill us both. Yep, but we rearranged a room. We didn't get everything where it needs to be, but I still haven't made a decision on that, so yeah. Not much else going on. But we had a nice quiet day, and then we had a couple of drinks and watched the ball drop in New York, and also watched like New Year's Eve in other countries, if you will. They had like Sydney and Taipei and Bangkok, and I can't think of where else. We, but it was kind of nice to see how they celebrate New Year's other places. I wish they'd shown Beijing, but, we didn't get that lucky. They didn't have that. And New York was kind of a letdown, because they just showed the ball drop, I mean, there wasn't too much time there. I mean, you couldn't see all the fireworks and stuff like you could at these other places, so. Yep, and then we went to bed. Because we were both about half dead yesterday. So, today, we're going to go to the hot springs. That'll be nice on these old bones. Seems like we did something else yesterday, but I can't for the life of me remember what it was. Oh yeah, I made chili. So we ate dinner in. Because it was cold and kind of blowy and nasty looking yesterday. I mean, it wasn't sunshiny by any means. It keeps looking like it's going to snow, but it doesn't. Last night, said, you know, snow between 1 and 4 a.m. or some stupid thing. And I got up this morning expecting at least 1.5 inches. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So who knows? It's supposed to snow today or tomorrow, but I haven't seen it yet. So sooner or later, the snow will get here. And then it'll just snow for a week. Oh, goodness. I know this will be a little bit later in the afternoon when this will air. So I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. Come on, Laura. This sure is a pretty color green. I don't know that I've ever used this color specifically, but it's a nice dark green, like a dark Kelly green. Very nice. I don't think my kids or anybody were supposed to go anywhere for... Well, my son was supposed to go to Missouri to go pick up my granddaughter and the great-grandbaby, because they've been in Missouri for a week or so. So they were going to spend New Year's Eve there and then drive back. Because I don't think he has to work tomorrow. Or, yeah, Monday. So, because he works for the city or the county. I never can keep it straight. I think it's the city. So, been working on that last peony, you know, in the vase flowers that I just got. I think that was from DP Clubs. I'm not real sure. Some days I can keep track of where they're from and others not so much. But I was looking to see what to stitch on today and I found this and I was like, oh yeah. I saw somebody else open, is it Riches, Honor, and Peace yesterday? And I'm like, huh, I wonder where that's... Oh, it's probably in the tub that the Christmas tree is still on. So, not real sure where that's at, but it's got to be here somewhere. Who knows? But I thought it might drag that out if I can find it. Don't count on that too quick. I've got to put that tree away and all the ornaments and find that a home for the rest of the year. Because now it's just being annoying. It's just sitting there. Watched a few YouTubes and floss tubes. I never did get back to Nicola from Hands Across the Sea. I think I don't know if she's going to make a special one. Just like I said, I didn't watch a video. What do you call it? Sampler for the King's coronation there in England. I know she's got one. It wasn't, I don't think it was made for Queen Victoria, not Queen Elizabeth's coronation. So, I don't think she's going to take one of those and revamp it, but she might just, you know, make a new pattern or something for the king. You never know what Nicola's up to, man. She's my hero. She's always doing something. They get the patterns and the colors just right. It's just such time and such care taken. It's just something else. I don't think I got that kind of patience. Of course, she's probably got a a decent program that can, she can make all these patterns up on. Me, I'd be sitting there with a piece of graph paper for life, trying to get it to come out right, I don't know. I don't have that kind of vision. That's going to be pretty. I don't know what color is going to be on the background. Did I put that? Oh my goodness. Today has been a day I keep losing things. Oh, here it is. Oh no, it's got that light background, doesn't it? But that's the leaf I'm working on right there. Yeah. So there's not too many green leaves. I like the butterflies though. I'd have to backstitch part of those butterflies just to make them look good. Yep. There's some things I can tolerate backstitching for, and all backstitch, not my game. But just a bit, just enough to make things look like they're, like they come out of the canvas, so to speak, bring them out and define them. I think yesterday did me in. I'm telling you. We moved stuff around and moved stuff around and then hauled stuff to the trash. Oh my goodness, what a mess. Yeah, at least the other room's smaller. So it won't be nearly as bad. It's like 90% boxes, so. That's a good thing. I wish I had a before and after picture for you. But I don't. Alright guys, well I think that's going to be it for today. I just wanted to make a short stitch with me. Let me put that back down on the bottom. You can see what we're doing. There, I about got that part. There's some there and then there's some someplace else, but just wanted to get one of those leaves started, and that whole background is going to be this color right here, this white, off-white. Yeah, I started doing that. That's as far as I got. I was like bored out of my mind. Couldn't handle it. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy New Year's. Bye-bye.